Guys, here comes the A320 United Airlines right above us. Whoa! Oh my god. Wait, where'd it go? I see it. It's gonna touch down. Don't worry guys, we got more coming. Way over there. There's one coming. I'll tell you what aircraft that is. I'm back and that is Frontier Airlines. That's Frontier. It's, don't, I feel like, I think Frontier is in a crosswind. I think all planes are going to be in a crosswind. Here he comes. I'm going to get closer, like right here to this fence. Yeah, it was. It wouldn't be loud if you had if you had headphones on. It wouldn't be loud. Like.